one.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
So we can't entertain it. I
Such a
don't
feel
know.
like it.
Man, one pack I big one there. What man? Hello, I'm not brother, I'm not sure. I'm a ball, no matter where the police. Let's start off.
If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the news it fits, I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live, or choose to dip, you choose to fight, or lose your grip, or lose your gift.
True, you know you don't mean just a time while you have weed. But this, yeah man, this looks like one big enough. Yeah.
I have TV there on Gano. Yeah, look stick.
Oh, you stop saying wood now, wants a stick.
Man in out there, look, you know.
Come on, look, boy, you look good. No, don't say that, brother. Don't say that. I look good to yourself. Some more cup in this. Just kill it, chicken look good, kill it. I really sent them as I come from. Yeah.
Yeah, jerky, I go on that thing.
Yeah man, I should have wild lag up on you like how you catch wild lag them next time, you know? Yeah?
Fully.
Yeah.
You stick them coal man and a piece smoke them a get off.
Yeah, you're really proud of it.
Everything I done good, Daily?
Yeah.
That's a shot man, a fine stick.
Yes, I'm fine.
No more right shot man, you want more smoke. Smoke, I run from the smoke.
Smoke, Charlie. I would know what that's, huh? You find a wood? I think we gotta look for me, I would. I leave you happy. I leave you happy, sir.
You can't reach me then. No, we can't touch it. Yeah? And two of them there say stick out, we can't touch them.
Two of them right there, you can't touch them, them there.
Shot man can't go in.
Me?
Shot man can't shoot.
Shut up in the hand, nigga.
No man.
You're right, fella. Shut up in the hand, nigga, man. Turn the tail, turn.
I think that both him.
No, man, I'm turning the too long, man. You're up with him, man.
This is a bit for you. Yes, Taylor, just start spring water.
Right, Daily? Yeah, I can't get back. Cut in short, man.
Shaggy there. Shaggy. You can't find nothing in the house there, brother. You can't find nothing in the house, brother. I want some flour. Yeah. And the where's the season when I left last night? Where in back? Yes, no. Go there, look at me.
No, I can't lift up. You can't lift.
This thing I got Japan.
Yeah, Kisha, let's lift your Kisha.
Eczema. Made a rotten. Rather say me a SARS. Let me pay a Chris at 4.
Just clean up your camera first, now.
That's like you say I work on it.
When you
So we have got the one you live, what are we have to live? I reckon what we have to live. What we have to live. Come.
girl for coming out like you somewhere.
Anyways, I just want to wish my father happy birthday again, and just want to tell you thank you for everything, your love and your support. And even though you cuss me sometimes, but it's for the good.
You deserve it.
It's for the good.
Well deserved.
And thank you for your motivation speech, and you're always pushing me to do better and that I can do better. Yeah.
Amen.
Amen.
Well done.
Maurice, man, my time now. Happy birthday, sir.
Evening one. What about you?
Lucien.
My grandson want to speak.
Grandson, the youngest generation.
Grandpa on the floor.
I stutter, so he stutters, so you know, give some time.
For those of you who don't know me, I'm his grandson. My name is Kev.
What's your name?
Speak up, man. Speak up.
I'm slower.
For those of you who don't know me, I'm his grandson.
Yes.
And my name is Tavoy.
Tavoy.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I go by Tav though.
Can't hear you. Can't hear.
Don't listen to him. Don't listen to him.
But I just want to wish him a happy birthday.
Yes.
Happy 60th birthday. You're getting old. I just want to wish you like many more, and I hope to see you until you're 80, probably 90. Maybe
110. Yes.
But I wish you many more, and thank you for supporting my mom like always. Like you.
Yes. And Lizzie want to say something. Go Lizzie. Go tell him.
Go Lizzie.
Hey, Maurice.
One foot up in the ear.
Go on, Lizzie.
Boom. I just want to say something.
But brother, get the vibes. I have to put out a pressure for you still. I mean, I must say I hold it, but just make sure it's there. You know, continue to get the 60. I really appreciate
But
you
me always
flying.
return them to
No,
you. Know,
no,
so
but
nobody said that.
I really appreciate you flying from so far.
Get
Being gifted by me, by the hands of the greatest. What's that? So enough respect. I'm sure of that.
I didn't talk about the one that went and get from me, you know.
So if nobody else wants to say anything,
I just want to say.
okay.
Happy
The
birthday.
cake cut already. How are you this day?
I just want to say happy birthday to one of the sweetest, kindest, meanest, loving, honest, giving person I've ever met in my life.
Everything you
And
want
you
to
always keep a smile on my face. Thank you for that.
Hold on. You can explain that meaning to me.
When he's in his
Everything she
mood,
wants, she gets.
when he's in his mood, you know, that time of the month. I love you, boo.
Kiss him.
And the influence of the people, you know.
Yes.
Can't do far now.
One to the kiss. One to the kiss.
All right.
We don't know.
Full now.
Feed him more.
All right. So I'm going to ask you some questions about the birthday boy.
Oh, sure.
So let me see who can answer these questions.
Okay.
What is the correct name of the birthday boy? What's the prize? What's the prize?
No daughter can answer.
No, there's no prize for this one.
No grandson can answer, and no daughter can answer, and no stepchild can answer, no grandbaby answer.
Who answered?
Somebody tell him. Somebody tell him.
Who tell you?
Somebody tell him. Somebody tell him.
Somebody tell you.
Somebody tell her.
All right. Good. Where was he born?
That sounds kind of funny. Me not lie. That name funny.
That was born on Alexander Postamanti's birthday. That's why they gave me that.
Okay. Where was he born?
No, Jubilee Hospital. No, Jubilee Hospital. Me know Jubilee Hospital. Why?
Maurice? Answer, is it correct?
Yes, she's correct.
He's Kingstonian,
I
not
won't tell you.
Chilanian.
Alright, can somebody tell me the last place he visited before coming to Jamaica?
Mexico.
Mexico.
Yeah.
He went to
Panama.
Yeah, give me what I think, sir. Can you do that with me so you can answer?
Exactly.
Alright. Which one does he prefer, coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Coffee.
What is his favorite food? And anybody get this and get a prize?
Pum pum.
You're gone too far.
You're not too far.
No kids around here.
No. Oxtail, who said oxtail? No.
She got it right.
Copy that. Jerk chicken? Anybody? Jerk chicken? Did somebody say jerk chicken? No. Anybody else?
Shrimp.
No.
Mackerel.
Mackerel? No. No.
Lobster. Lobster.
Alright. So to be honest with you all, when I did the interview, the birthday boy said he didn't have a favorite dish.
Tell me a while ago.
He said the closest thing to it was oxtail.
Oxtail, the closest thing.
Yeah,
You tell me.
was the closest, but he doesn't have a favorite. Alright, so that's it. Anybody want to say, wish him, anybody want to say?
Yeah, you're first of all,
She feel like it, tired of the boring thing.